Wala yan sa pitch box sa picture.
And one. Bend the elbows. Forward fold. Let go of your head. Let it hang heavy. Shift your weight. Last 3, 2, and 1. Two. Interlace the fingers. Bring your palms to the top of your left knee. Bend your left. Press and push. Flex your right foot. Take the breathe. Adjust. Breathe. Keep the breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Release. Palms down. Straighten your left leg. Nice try. Go, Doki. Try harder. Just forward a bit. Yes. More. Doki. One leg up at your own pace. Go. Drop. And lean back. You can let go one hand if kaya ha. Left hand let go. Kaya? Faster. And one. Pull up. Lean back. 2, 3. Release. Pull up. Back to your feet. 3, 2, and 1. Release sometimes. Reach forward. Kick your leg. Find your warrior 3. Virabhadrasana. Now, if you check your alignment, already there, flat back, open your arms to T, palms down, fly, lean forward more, gaze in front, top of the mat. Gaze in front, stay. Kick your leg. There you go. Palm touch. Diba? Dili ka matagap, release lang. Now, while you're moonsault, if you're gonna make your body more relaxed, let go. Nice. Prayer show.
Tapos fly na yun.
Don't come out, ha? Don't come out or go to you. Release your hand. Bend this knee. Bend the one. Okay, nice station sa lower back.
Tama na ha? Tama na? Sige pa? Sige pa? Girl! Tama na?
Bend back.
Tama na? Tama na?
Kahit both knees,